Hey friends, today I'm going to be unboxing my new airbrush machine. I'm so excited. It's going to be like amazing. The inner child in me is going to be just coming upstairs on Christmas Day. It's going to be so fun. I'm also going to be airbrushing Josie, trying it out on her and showing her. We're just going to see how it does, how amazing it's going to be. So stay tuned. Like so more people can see our content, and subscribe so you can get more inspiration for your beauty routine every single week.
Okay friends, I got the goods. I got it right here.
She's got it. I'm so excited. We're so excited. I have not even opened the box yet.
I don't know how she did not. Like, I'm honestly shocked.
It took everything with me. I'll just say that. But super pumped. So we've got some nice brown paper, little packing slip.
Oh my word. It looks
and then
so
finally
nice.
the good stuff. It's so good. Start with the biggest. Don't judge my singing voice. So pretty.
Wow.
Okay, so this is the Temptu Pro Plus airbrush compressor. This is the dual action trigger. The cleaner. Oh yeah, the primer. And this one cleans the nozzle. We've got all of our fun makeup colors here too. So, and this
I think that was a highlighter.
You better believe I'm gonna walk out glowing tomorrow. Okay.
So fun.
So fun. All right.
Need it. Also, I don't normally break out, but I'm like so broke out because literally all last week I didn't wash my face one time. Just horrible. Don't ever do that.
She's never done that before. She normally is very. She makes fun of me.
Yeah, I am religious about washing my face. Like, I do it all the time.
Look at this. It's so beautiful, guys. It's the nozzle. It has its own little case.
It's so pretty.
And the case has sparkles on it. It's so cute. Oh, wow. That is legit. The other makeup artists that I follow have said that this has been a life changer for them. Like the other airbrush machine that Temptu has, that I have, has been awesome. It's done great things for me. But apparently this is the next level. So, okay, so now we're gonna spray some airbrush. I already put the correct colors in the little nozzle right here. Wow, guys. I feel like I'm a little farmer girl here, and she's just this like luminous model. Look at the way that looks on her. Oh my goodness.
It seriously is like,
Her skin is glowing.
It looks so dewy and like your actual skin, for sure.
I'm so excited to use this on all of you guys. So yeah, definitely reach out. Effortless Beauty will airbrush you, and you can look like this. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish this off, a couple little spots, and then make sure that it's totally dry with the air. Okay, I am so impressed by this right now. Her skin looks amazing. Well, it looks amazing to start, but it has just continued with the luminous glow. So she looks dewy, beautiful, amazing, and it really didn't use very much product at all, which I'm so impressed by. I think the amount of product that I put in there and the amount of product, like there's still some left. I'm shocked. So definitely, I would highly recommend this so far. I cannot wait to use it on all of you guys. And that's pretty much what I have to say for right now. So a few differences between airbrush and conventional makeup are, one, just how dewy and lightweight and just really trying to come up with the right word. I guess just bright airbrushes altogether. I feel like airbrush almost looks like your skin. Like it looks like you're not wearing makeup almost. Right. And not that there aren't conventional makeups that do really similar things, but I've not found any that do it as well as Airbrush. So if you naturally have great skin, you don't have a lot of blemishes you're trying to cover, highly recommend this. Yeah, if you're going for a more lightweight, natural, dewy look, Airbrush is your best friend.
It's so pretty too. I love the way it feels. It's amazing.
In conclusion, we loved the Airbrush machine. We cannot wait to use it more and do more tutorial videos showing you guys all the fun tricks of it. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.